To create the vegan marbling fat, pour 100 grams of water into the blender and create a vortex. Slowly sprinkle 2 grams of burger binder or methylcellulose HV into the blender, avoiding clumps. Blend for another 30 seconds to fully hydrate. Once hydrated, begin streaming in 300 grams of Druids Grove Coconut Oil. It's important to stream the coconut oil in very slowly to fully emulsify the oil into the mixture. Spread the fully emulsified mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and freeze until completely solid. Once frozen, it can be broken up into smaller chunks and stored in an airtight container in the freezer for future use. One batch of marbling fat is enough for multiple recipes. To prepare for use, weigh out the required amount for your recipe and break into pea-sized pieces. We find that the best way to create these pea-sized chunks is by chopping the pieces with a kitchen knife on a cutting board. You can also use a cheese grater or a fork.